Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to put on your Xpedition roof rack. The first thing you want to do is grab your front passenger and driver side outside rails, and then grab one of your tie-down rails and go ahead and put it into place using your stainless steel hardware that comes in the kit. If you opted for the optional tie-down accent panels, you'll need to install them at the same time. The order goes accent panel, outside rail, bolt, then tie-down rail. Then place your nut. Now you can install your rear section onto your front section. And now you can continue to install your tie-down rails and your accent panels all the way to the back. Now that you have all your tie-down rails pre-assembled, it would be best to go ahead and tighten your center bolts where the two pieces join together before you install it. Now you're ready to install your mounting bracket to your rails. All you do is take your little tab and your bolt and attach it at the bottom. You'll want to go ahead and pre-install all your tabs all the way down the rail. Now you're going to repeat the same process on the other side and leave everything loose until you put it on the vehicle. We're now ready to fit up the front piece. All you do is attach it to the 3 bolts on each side. So in order to remove your bolts from the top of the roof, if you have a North Star, you will need to remove the bolts from your headliner and lower it down so you can get to the nut above the headliner. Now you can remove your bolts from the roof. You'll need to save the nuts to reuse later. Now you remove all your bolts from the roof, but you will leave these rubber washers in place. If your unit comes with an audio package with the rear roof speakers, you will need to remove the 2 bolts that hold the speakers on to access the rear roof mount nut. Now ready to put your edge trim on the front valance. Now you need to grab you a friend and set the rack on top of the vehicle. Using your roof hardware, same roof hardware you removed, go ahead and start all your bolts. Now that you have all your bolts started, you can go ahead and make sure your rack is centered and then tighten all your bolts. If you decided to go with the light bar option, it's now time to put your light bar. For this one, we decided to go with the KC Pro 6 light bar. All you need to do is install it into your bracket. Adjust your light and tighten your light bar brackets. Now that we got our light wired up and everything's tight, it's time to hit the trails.